Good morning from the porch of the historic Farnsley Mormon house. What am I up to today? Well, we haven't had a lot of rain, so hopefully the Ohio River is nice and low. A few years ago I did a fun ride. I rode up the part of the Louisville Loop towards this power plant that's behind me, and the trail is on top of a levee, and between the levee and the river it's kind of like no man's land. I'm sure someone owns it, but it floods quite often, and there are quad paths and fishermen have cut paths back there. But with the river level being low, a few years back, I went down there when we were in another drought like we are right now and rode the shoreline almost back up to here. So just made a nice little loop, rode part of the path halfway, and then got to play around in the forest a little bit. Whether that can happen or not today, I don't know. Won't know until I get over there and off the levee to do some exploring. Whatever it may be, I'm taking you along with. Let's go for a ride. I'll be following the Ohio River for a few miles, and then right when we see that power plant, I'll be dropping off the levee and following some trails, hopefully. Fingers crossed. It's been so dry lately. I'm in hopes that the river level is low enough like it was a few years back that I'm able to ride down it. That it's usually right along the river's edge. It's obviously river mud, and it's like quicksand almost. But if it's been dry enough, it'll be hard as a rock, hopefully. There's a horse. Nice. Made it to the power plant. There's our roads down there, trails. And there is a nice trailhead right up here, and this is where this actual paved portion of the Louisville Loop right there starts, ends, whatever. You see, there used to be a paved road down here. I think I went in here. Bulb actually, old road, whatever it was. Again, this is all paved. I moved some of the stuff around to hopefully prevent the majority of the jingling. See this area? All this floods. And you can see the goes down to that creek and then up and over. I'm actually going to go this way down the creek. It's completely dried up. nice and rocky and soft sand underneath the riprap that they put down here. A lot of glass and pull tab beer cans, so they're pretty old. A tagged paddle boat. Rocky, rocky. Almost there. So there's a little bit of water behind this wall here. Well, I'm gonna have to go up that way. Just came up that bank. That's Indiana over there. Fortunately, I just missed a barge. Well, honestly, the river's quite a bit higher than I had thought it would be. It's definitely higher than it was 2 years ago. But I'm down here, and you know, it's maybe a mile up the shore, so no matter what it throws at us, we'll be able to get up that way. The size of this thing, dang. Something had a good meal. Well, we'll lower the tire pressure down a little bit and head upriver. Yeah, that's great. Maybe sandy, but you certainly don't want to come down here without shoes on. It's getting a little narrow here. I'm not going any deeper than this because I don't want to rebuild my hubs again. Not this year, at least. Monster catfish. Well, I don't know what the hell happened, but my drone just went down, 30 or 40 feet off the shore into the river. I don't know what. Yeah, so that's a huge downer. And I'm certainly not going in there after it. Okay, well, that kind of put a little damper on this ride. I don't even know what happened. Well, nothing I can do about it now. Well, it's at least it's pretty out. Shore is a bit squishy too. looks like someone else was down here on a bike and a quad recently. So yeah, this is one of these creeks. Comes down, the levee's back there. I'm gonna keep going. I don't know how far up I can get. I think last time I went up here, oh, you can see way off the white right there is Caesar's Casino. Yeah, I'm gonna see how this shore goes next little bit. If it gets worse, or looks like it's going to get worse, I think I'll just head back to that creek. Thankful for shade. I don't know what this contraption up ahead of me is. It's got driftwood piled up on the upstream side of those uprights. It's probably, I don't know, it's piled up pretty high. Ooh man, the breeze coming out of the forest, nice and cool. Well, I left my bike behind me. I'm gonna look at these things. I'm where the dot is. See the line right there? That's where I need to be. That's a trail. Just need to find a way to bushwhack through there. Looks like there might be a game trail right here. I'll be doing a tick check. Bet you the trail's right up here. Yep. Here we go. This might be a trail over there. Well, if there were any deer or anything around, there's not anymore. Oh, there's some up there. One way to do it. Gets you in by these community gardens. Parking lot's on the other side of these gardens. Just wanted to thank you all for riding along with me today. Despite the loss of my old drone, I had a lot of fun on this loop. It's a short route, but the fun factor is very high. Great scenery, interesting finds, and just plain old fun riding. Until the next one, guys, keep on exploring.